They are new YouTubers. Don't make this mistake. Sup guys, here we are in a new video. In this video I'm going to tell you some mistakes new YouTubers make, and this can seriously slows down the growth of your channel. New YouTubers, listen to this carefully and avoid these mistakes. At first, it's the video category you choose before starting your YouTube channel. Mostly, some YouTubers started uploading random videos without them knowing what they were doing. For example, Marques Brownlee, the famous tech YouTuber, that's the best tech reviewer. He started uploading a video of him playing golf, and then later on he switched back to tech. Don't just set up a YouTube channel and start uploading videos. Sit down, think, what do you like doing? What's your hobby? If you like tech, you can review tech. If you like sports, you can play football, teach people a lot of tricks about football, and things like that. So make sure you think, what do you like doing and what can you do? If you can do a lot of cooking, you can teach people how to cook several dishes. Like Siobhan Salmon also is a tech reviewer. At first, he started uploading a daily blog of his life. Then later on, he switched back to tech. So sit down and think, what do you like doing before starting a YouTube channel? Because if like you started dancing and later on you switched back to tech, seriously, you'll be ashamed of that. Because MKBHD was once asked, did he thought YouTube was a platform to upload a video of him playing golf? So if you start gaming it is. If you start tech it is. The second mistake YouTubers make is quitting due to low views and subscribers. A lot of YouTubers get discouraged by the numbers of their views and subscribers. Every creator started from 0 views to millions of views. For example, last year I only get 1 to 3 views in every last 48 hours. But for now, I used to get more than 100 views in the last 48 hours. As you can see, there are a lot of changes there. And this is my second year on YouTube. So don't stop making videos due to the numbers of views and subscribers you get on YouTube. Because that's the biggest mistake a creator can make. Just keep creating, and I promise after 2 to 3 years, you'll have a lot of viewers. The third mistake new YouTubers make is starting a YouTube channel for money. Don't ever, never, ever do that mistake. Seriously. Don't start a YouTube channel for money, because that won't end well. Just start a YouTube channel because you want to be a creator. You love to be a creator and you want to create a lot of videos that will help people. Just be a solution provider to people and keep making videos that will help people. A lot of people subscribe to your channel and you get a lot of views and subscribers too. And with time, you'll be able to earn a lot of money from YouTube. But for now, don't start a YouTube channel because of money. Because if you start a YouTube channel because of money, you'll be disappointed. It will take a lot of time before you start getting paid from YouTube. It will take 2 to 3 years, 2 to 4 years, 2 to 5 years. I don't know. So just take your mind out of that. I've been making a lot of videos. I've made 150 videos and I'm not getting a single penny from YouTube. I just do this because I love it and I love helping you guys. Seriously, that's why I make videos. Like, I can't go a week without making a video. So just keep creating, work hard. And I'll meet you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Yes?